Myntri Rangbah ke jela konat ke sangma ke sengi baar ulai roe ke Sorkar Pdeng bakal Pyllait ke Pisa ke basi Hajar Klur tingkah halal ke jing IT Pdeng ha ke bayade bat ki khajna nak benta ke jela Meghalaya. Ulaong ba ulai Khublei ke Sorkar Pdeng bakal Pyllait ke ne ke Pisa ke bana ke benta ki kampen roe bat ki program ha ke imlang salang.
In fact, thank the government of India, especially our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Finance Minister for releasing the taxes which were released yesterday. And just to clarify to everybody that why this is very significant is the government has released 2 installments of the devolution of the taxes which was meant for the different states. So every month we normally get 1 installment, but Government of India in one way has given a bonus to every state by releasing 2 installments. So this will not be taken away from the future installments, but these are basically a bonus, and a double benefit has been given, and this is a great gesture by the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister, and a great way to start the new government. And once again, I would like to thank the Government of India for releasing over 1,000 crores in terms of the devolution of taxes, which will definitely help the state in the many developmental as well as the social programs that we have. Thank you very much.